Three wishes. Are you ready?
Hey there everybody, this is Abby and I just wanted to quickly run you through how I made this video for my friend for her Halloween costume for her children. She's a drama teacher. Anyway, we got some time-lapse video, so I took a time-lapse on her phone and on my phone so we can have some different angles. And then so this is pretty much it. Just set the phone down, put it on time-lapse, whatever you use, and then put it in here. So that's already fast by itself. Just have a little transition here, and then we come to this footage at the end. So to make the ending of the video, I thought, how could I get her to come out of the lamp and make it interesting? So I felt putting a shake and some sound effects and also some smoke will help mask my transition for when she pops out of the lamp. So here we have, after the transition, I had some shake and some thunder, added an overlay of some smoke before I have her, boom, pop out. So essentially what I did with her is, as soon as I have this blue pop out, I just had her jump in the air and then land to mask it. So let's see what it would look like without the shake and everything like that. Without the shake, without the sound design, it would essentially be some very boring footage where you don't know what's going on. Even if we just kept the smoke, sound design is super important. So I just want you to see the effect without all of the added features to help things go. I think I even have some shaking here, but just to settle things out. So if we had nothing and we went from just smoke and a little bit of a jump cut there, I think I did some more shake to hide that jump cut. There.
10,000 years?
So now let's watch it without the sound design, but with a shake added into it. So we have something happening here. We have some smoke. And then we have a person pop out of nowhere. Okay? Now let's go ahead and watch it again with the sound design included in there and see how layering all these things just brings more quality to the production. Something's happening. There's some smoke. Boom. Where did this person come from?
10,000 years? Will give you such a crick in the neck.
So then here, we just have another overlay.
Three wishes. Are you ready?
And some more sound design for the Genie action. So I got all of my sound design and overlays from Envato Elements. It's a wonderful platform to where you can get music, sounds, and all this other stuff. Oh, and I forgot to mention, then there's music. So to go with the Genie theme, I found just like some type of cool, maybe Middle Eastern music, just to bring everything together. So we'll watch it one more time with the music going on.
10,000 years? Will give you such a crick in the neck. Three wishes. Are you ready?
So you can see here also what I was able to do in Final Cut is just control some of the sound levels. So right here I had it lower because I knew she was gonna talk. Sorry about that. So yeah, just playing around with things. But ultimately, what I wanted you all to get from this was just a couple ideas of simple things that you can do between having some overlay footage and also adding some sound design to make things more interesting. So with this black smoke here, it's a screen. So I'll show it to you before. When it was just normal, it's just a black screen of smoke, but you can't see her behind it. So we made it a screen so that you can see her behind it, right? And in it, but it was still also blue. Anyway, hope this is a good enough explanation. I'll try to get better and more organized in my thoughts for the next one. But yeah, have a good one.